Hope you guys enjoy this kind of videos. I know it's kind of a little bit slower than other folks, but what I like to show in the videos is my character. This is who I am. This is what I prefer. Places that are quiet, places in nature. So I feel right at home here, very relaxed. I go walking or hiking. This is more walking. This is a nature walk. The difference between a hike and a walk, well, on a walk, you're just going on a straight path and you don't have to step over logs or trunks or any of that. So once you're in the mountain, you're having to step over rocks and doing a lot of inclines, and it takes a lot more effort. Here, this is just a walk. You can walk as little as you want or as much as you want. At times I come out here and do 2 miles, or other times I do 6 miles or 7 miles. Last week I did 7 miles. I was out here walking for 6 hours. So I take my time. I enjoy this. So I come out here, take pictures, and look around and video. I have always liked quietness. I don't like a lot of noise. Although we do change as we grow older. When I was young and at high school, I used to listen to acid rock.